Today, I'm going to show you how to use the jump to matching bracket command in VS Code. This feature is incredibly useful for developers as it allows you to quickly navigate between curly braces, parentheses, and other code delimiters. Now, here on the Visual Studio Code screen, you need to find the delimiter you want to navigate to. It can be a key, parenthesis, bracket, etc. To use the jump to matching bracket command, press Ctrl-Shift-/ on Windows or Linux. On Mac OS, press Command-Shift-. When you press the shortcut corresponding to your operating system, VS Code will quickly take you to the corresponding delimiter. You can use this command on other types of delimiters, such as parentheses or square brackets. It works in a similar way on all of them. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. If you liked it, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials.